What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and this is the custom Casey Neistat Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So Samsung has partnered with my good friend Casey, who you may have seen on the channel a few times before, to create this unique looking device or to raise money for a good cause. We've seen lots of DIY projects from Jerry Rig Everything, but this I believe is the first time a brand has partnered with a content creator to create a custom limited edition smartphone like this. Let's take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice is the clear back, which reveals the insides of the phone. As some of you may already know, I'm a huge fan of this look. Now the back glass isn't completely transparent however, with a few elements remaining such as the lavender purple around the cameras, giving a bit of a hybrid look. And what's interesting on this version is that the frame is actually in the coral blue color with the yellow S Pen, so you get a combination of blue, purple and yellow all within the one device. What makes this truly unique however is the writing. At the top we have Made in NYC, Casey Neistat 2018. In the middle, below the Samsung logo, it says, "Please do the right thing, if found, cool," with a space to write a number in case you lose the phone. And we also have some symbols and arrows pointing to the buttons and ports. There's a padlock symbol for the power button, headphone symbol for the headphone jack, power symbol for the USB charging port, S Pen text, plus and minus symbols for the volume buttons, and finally an X for the Bixby button. Apart from that, the device is a regular Samsung Galaxy Note 9 with the 6.4-inch AMOLED display, dual 12-megapixel rear-facing cameras, fingerprint scanner, 128GB of storage with an SD card slot, and a bunch of other features which I've already covered in my full review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which I'll link in the cards and in the description if you want to check that out. Now I mentioned earlier that this custom Note 9 was made for a good cause, and that was to raise money for the non-profit The Boys and Girls Club. There were 100 of these Note 9s that were made and given away, and although the giveaway has ended, I'll be leaving some links in the description below if you'd like to donate and find out more. So that's the custom Casey Neistat Samsung Galaxy Note 9. What do you think of it, and would you like Samsung to make more custom devices like this? If so, what would you customize? Definitely let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. A huge shout out to Samsung and Casey for putting all of this together and raising money to help others. I'm really honored to be a small part of it. If you want to see more content like this, then be sure to subscribe and switch on notifications. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.